It is simple comfort food, especially perfect for the cold winter evening. It will save you a lot of time and you will be impressed with the taste and simplicity of the cooking process. You can find a list of ingredients in the description of this video. Okay, let's cook. Chop onion, garlic and mushrooms. Start Instant Pot in sauté mode. Add oil. Sauté onion for about 3 to 4 minutes. Then add meat, salt and pepper. Cook meat until it's brown for about 5 minutes. Then add garlic, thyme, Worcestershire sauce, mushrooms and sprinkle some flour. Stir well so flour gets incorporated and then add beef broth. Set the pressure cooker on high for 10 minutes and after 10 minutes do a quick release. Next, add egg noodles. Make sure noodles are well covered with the liquid. Set the Instant Pot for 5 minutes and do a quick pressure release. And finally, stir in sour cream and add parsley on top. Dinner is ready in under 30 minutes. Your family will love it. It tastes really good. I hope you like this recipe. Leave comments on what other recipes would you like to see from me in my future videos. Give me a challenge. Thank you for watching and I will see you soon.